Bitcoin's next bull run might already be on the way. History shows that every explosive rally is born out of despair. Right now, the bear market you think you are in might actually be the starting point for the next 10x opportunity. Everyone asking when Bitwell will hit 100k again. My answer, it could happen sooner than you think. Why? Let's start with on-chain data. Bitcoin's long-term holders are holding close to an all-time high. In other words, the available supply in the market is become extremely scarce. From a microeconomic perspective, the US interest rate hike cycle is nearing its end. The Federal Reserve is signaling rate cuts, which could open the floodgates for capital to flow into risk assets. Historically, Bitcoin has always hit new highs 18 months after each halving event. The April 2024 halving has already happened. This could be the ignition point. First, look at on-chain data. According to Glassnode, long-term holders now own over 75% of total circulating supply, close to a historic peak. This means the available supply in the market is shrinking and any new demand could cause a rapid price surge. Minor selling pressure is falling. After the April 2024 halving, daily new Bitcoin production dropped from 900 to 450 BTC. Supply has been cut in half while demand from ETFs and institutions could soar. Stablecoin market cap is rising. USDT and USDC have seen continuous growth in 2025, a strong signal that fresh capital is preparing to enter Bitcoin. Microeconomic trends, a flood of capital is coming. The second big signal comes from microeconomics. The Fed is preparing to cut rates. With inflation cooling, markets expect a 2025 rate cut cycle. Risk assets, including Bitcoin, will likely regain strong momentum. Bitcoin ETFs are injecting capital. Since the US approved spot Bitcoin ETFs in January 2024, giants like BlackRock and Fidelity have accumulated over 1 million BTC. That's more than 5% of the total supply. Global monetary easing. Both the European Central Bank and the Bank of Japan are hinting at looser monetary policy. More fiat liquidity in the crypto market is only a matter of time. Market cycles, the post-halving bull run pattern. Bitcoin never moves in a straight line. It follows a very clear 4-year cycle. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin jumped from $13 to $1,100 and 80x rally. After the 2016 halving, it surged from $400 to $20,000, 50x. After the 2020 halving, it soared from $8,500 to $69,000, 7x. The fourth halving happened in April 2024. Historically, the bull markets kicks in 12 to 18 months after a halving. By late 2025, Bitcoin has a strong chance to smash through $100K. Market sentiment. Extreme fear breeds opportunity. The last signal is sentiment. According to the Fear and Greed Index, the market is currently hovering around 40 to 50, meaning most people are still hesitant. But history shows that every true bull run starts when fear dominates the market. Remember during the 2020 pandemic when Bitcoin crashed to $4,000? Everyone thought it was over, but within a year it skyrocketed to $60,000. Some say this time might be different, but I ask you, in the past 10 years, when has a Bitcoin bull run not to been met with skepticism? Every time people doubted Bitcoin proved them wrong. I'm not saying you should go all in blindly, but you should prepare yourself. If the next bull run really starts, will you miss out again like last time? Tell me in the comments, when do you think Bitcoin will break 100k dollars? Remember, true bull runs never wait for you to be ready. If you want deeper on chain analysis and Bitcoin insights, hit that like button and subscribe. I will be tracking every critical move on the road to the next bull market.